Lesson 1, Question 7. Real estate ad suggests that 64% of homes for sale have garages, 21% have swimming pools, and 17% have both features. What is the probability that a home for sale has a pool or a garage? So since this is an OR probability, we're going to use this formula. P of A or B equals P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. So in this case, A represents having a pool, B represents having a garage, and so we'll have this formula. The probability of having a pool or a garage will equal the probability of having a pool plus the probability of having a garage minus the probability of having a pool and a garage. We know all of these probabilities because even though in the problem it doesn't necessarily say the word probability, these percentages are the same thing as probabilities. These are statistics of homes in this area. So if I were to write down on little pieces of paper all the different homes in the area, 64% of them would have garages, 21% of them would have swimming pools, and 17% would have both features. And if I were to put them all in a hat and I were to draw them, if I were to draw one out at random, I would have a 64% chance of drawing a home with a garage, for example. And so that's why these are probabilities. So we're going to take 21%, add it to 64%, and subtract the 17%. And we get a probability of 68%. Part B says, what is the probability of a house having neither a pool nor a garage? So this one is a little bit tricky. The probability of neither is actually a complementary probability. So we're going to take 100% and subtract the probability of either. So if a house has neither pool nor garage, and I compare that to the houses with either a pool or garage, then that should make up all of the houses in the area. So I would have 100% of the houses if I had the ones with neither and the ones with either. So I will take 100% minus the probability of having either a pool or garage. And we just found that probability. That was part A. So 100% minus 68% gives us 32%. Part C, what is the probability of a pool but no garage? So in this case, we're going to have to do a little bit of subtraction because the problem actually does not tell us specifically how many houses in the area have a pool but no garage. They do tell us how many houses have a pool, and they do tell us how many houses have a pool and a garage. So if I go ahead and subtract those, because the probability of houses with a pool, that includes all the houses with both pool and garage. So if I subtract the ones that have both, then I should be left with just the houses with a pool, but no garage. So I'm going to do that now. 21% minus 17% equals 4%.